and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to style a oversized t-shirt and basically how to tie it in certain ways to turn it into a less oversized t-shirt without actually cutting it. So I've just got this nice oversized t-shirt. I think it's like a 2XL or something along those lines. It's a big t-shirt, but I don't want to cut it, so I want to find a way to make it look more stylish without making, sort of like drowning me out a little bit, and turn it more into a crop top without cutting anything. So I thought I would share the ways I figured out, so I really do hope you guys enjoy. So this is what the t-shirt looks like just normally. So I am wearing jeans, but as you can see it's a little bit long, but it's not quite long enough to get away with it as a dress. Like, it would be a bit too short if I just wear it as it is. So the first way I tie my t-shirts is at the front. So you gather the material just like this and you tie one big knot. Just like this, and you just pull the end through. So this way you can just have a cute crop top. It sort of like brings you in at the waist. The back looks nice as well, it just keeps it sort of nice and smooth, and the knot's at the front, which if you don't like the knot, just tuck it under like that, and then you've got another look which doesn't have a knot or anything like that. It does cause a little bulge, but I think it still looks really cute, and it shows off, like, it doesn't drown me out anymore. It's more of a crop top, and you can adjust the, like, how low you make it or how cropped you make it, which is really nice. And then if the sleeves are really long, you can just fold them over a few times just to make those a bit shorter, and you can always tack them up if they don't stay, but I quite like the sleeves just as they are. So that's the first way. The next way you can tie it is you actually take two sides like this, and then you tie the sides together. So this only works on a really big t-shirt, as you need quite a lot of material to make the tie. And then you can leave it as it is, just tied like that, or you can tuck it underneath the front. So it's just another way to tie it. I think this way is slightly flatter than the last one you just saw, but really cute, makes a nice little crop top again. Then the next way you can tie it is actually by doing those two knots. You can do them at the back of the t-shirt. So if you would like the front to look more like this, then do the knots at the back. So you just, this one's a bit more fiddly to do on yourself at the back, but it is doable, or you can get someone else to do it. So you just tie it at the back, and then it's a cute crop top at the front. And this one I find you can make it sit more literally right at the top of your jeans, which I think is really cute. And again, you can just fold that knot up if you don't want to show the knot. So that's that way. The next thing you can do is you can actually tuck the t-shirt into your bra. So by taking the base of it, you just want to roll it up, and ideally a bralette is great because you have slightly more material to tuck the t-shirt into, and you literally just bunch up as much t-shirt or as little t-shirt as you want. So with this one you can make it cropped at the front and not at the back. So you can like have it long, like high-low sort of style, but I like it all cropped. So I tuck it in all the way around, and then you can adjust it. So you can like decide how much you want it out or want it, like, you can basically make it as cropped or as uncropped as you want. So this way looks more like it was meant, it looks more cut this way because it's actually like hanging loose, if that makes sense. So it just looks like that. And the final way doesn't really work for a t-shirt like this, which has words on the front, but you might have seen it done. You tuck the base of the t-shirt into the top, and you just fold that down, and it makes a sort of cute little, don't really know how to describe it, but this looks cute on like plain t-shirts, that sort of thing. But if you've got one like mine where it's got like words on it, it does completely break up the print a little bit, but it does turn an oversized t-shirt into a crop top, so I thought I would share in case your top is correct for it. So that's all I got for you today. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which was your favourite way to style the t-shirt. I think personally I prefer the knot at the back, but they all work, to be honest. Apart from the last one, I like the words on this. I like them to be seen because it looked a bit weird just having like the R and the A, but on a t-shirt maybe where the design's on the back, that can look really cute, I think. So no, I'll definitely use that on another t-shirt. But yeah, no, I really hope you found this useful, and yeah, please like and subscribe. I'll link on my social media down below, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.